way. Oh, it's falling. Oh, shit. That is dangerous, dude. What the flying? That thing is off. Safe to use indoors?
I'm surprised it hasn't broken.
Fucking hell. That's insane. Oh, shit. Where's it going now? Oh, it's got it mind of its own. Oh, holy hell. Oh, shit. I think we better turn that thing off. Oh, stop. Fucking hell. Fuck me dead. That thing's not safe. You know what they should have done?
What?
They should have got 1,000 of them, given them to the Ukrainians, and sent them over as like Scudby style. Ow! Get it away from me, will ya? Get over there, Go that way, go that way. No, don't hit the screen. Nah! Ah! Ah! Oh, shit! Get it away! Will you grab it? Just grab it, you dickhead. You're a dickhead. Where is it? Where the hell is it? Get away!
Yes, attack helicopter!
It's gonna hit the TV. No! What the hell is it doing? This thing's off its head.
Well, it's definitely safe to use indoors. Fucking look at it go.
What the hell, dude? Oh, do hit the camera. Oh.
Oh, that's too good. Man down.
Man down, quick. No one left behind. Alright, I'll stop that now.